Bob Kerrigan for Kerrigan, Estess, Rankin, McLeod, and Thompson. You know, preparation is 90% of the victory, or however that expression goes. If you are not prepared, you don't get the best results, really, in anything you do in life. And it's particularly true in the investigation of an automobile accident. So much is lost with time that if you don't preserve what you can preserve in terms of the accident scene and the vehicles or whatever is involved, if you don't do it early and comprehensively, later on, when you're trying to settle the case or actually try the case before a jury, you can be greatly handicapped by a lack of adequate preparation, which means very, very early comprehensive investigation. This is really, really important when you are involved with a commercial vehicle. We have a segment here in our video work that we've done and make it available to the public and to prospective clients about trucking accidents, but it's particularly true with commercial vehicles. It is equally true with train accidents, airplane accidents, and of course, major commercial vehicles. And the reason is that the people defending those claims for trucking accidents, rail accidents, and airplane accidents, they have the best experts. I mean, they really pay a lot of money for very, very good experts and investigators to start immediately when there's an accident preparing their defense because they know claims will be made against them. It's not really a fair fight because they know about the accident before your lawyer will know. They're on the scene usually within hours or even earlier, depending on where they're geographically located. And they get the photographs early, they get the evidence nailed down, they identify the witnesses, they get fully prepared for the battle that's to come. So if you wait a year, when you're involved in one of these commercial vehicles, after there's an accident, if you wait a year, you have waited too long. Now, that doesn't sound, I'm sure, like, well, you need to hire a lawyer right away. Sometimes it doesn't matter that you get to a lawyer right away in terms of, say, somebody runs into you from behind and you know their name and you know the insurance company. There's not the urgency there, but in these commercial vehicles, it is really important to get on top of it early and to get your own investigators out to contact the witnesses. And I'm not saying it's corruptive, but there is a possibility of corrupting witnesses in this respect. If you have an investigator for one of the commercial vehicles we're describing here that isn't entirely ethical, they can sort of plant ideas in witnesses' minds about what they saw or didn't see. And we are susceptible as human beings to this power of suggestion. And so they'll take a statement from somebody after they've had this little session with them to kind of help them understand what they actually saw. They'll take this statement, and then it turns out, say, a year later or 2 years later, when you're trying the case, person says, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean to say that. I know how it sounds, but this is what I actually saw. So their credibility is greatly harmed. It's just so important that you have an early investigation and analysis of the accident scene. True in any automobile accident case, but particularly true with these commercial vehicles. For further information, if you have an inquiry regarding an accident or an accidental death, we'd be glad to talk to you. We don't charge anything to evaluate a case, and we are happy to talk to you without any obligation at all. That's Kerrigan.com, Kerrigan.com.